Here's wishing all of you a very, very happy Pongal and a very happy Makar Sankranti. It's my honor to be here at the world's largest human gathering, at also the most religious gathering ever, as lakhs and I'd say crores of devotees have come together here at the Mahakumbh to be a part of the 45-day event. Today is the most important on the occasion of Makar Sankranti. You also have the Amrit Snan taking place, also called the Shahi Snan. And it's at this time, as you can see behind me, that akhadas are making their way through to go ahead and take the holy dip. Let me just quickly show you around the kind of crowds that have gathered here. And it truly marvels me, because as far as the eye can see, you can see crowds gathered here, all here to take a holy dip in the Triveni Sangam here in Prayagraj, or to catch a glimpse of the akhadas and the akhada chiefs who've come here, of course, in large numbers. Now, there are 13 akhadas in all. Already we've seen about 3 akhadas going forward, taking the holy dip and coming back. But you see also many of them coming forward in these raths, like the one behind me, where you have this rath adorned also with a replica of the Adi Yogi right in front. And then you have raths behind as well. All these years waiting patiently for their turn to go forward and take a holy dip. On this occasion of the Amrit Snan, this entire stretch that I'm showing you right now has been closed off for the public. It's only people who are part of these akhadas who are allowed to go and take a holy dip in this site. The lakhs of people then around me who stand around watching in awe at these akhadas, who are also taking a holy dip, are going to other points. This is a massive, massive stretch, a city within a city, if you will, here in Prayagraj. I'm going to show you around once again to that particular site, which is where you've got the locals and the devotees going forward and taking a dip as well. On this auspicious occasion of Makar Sankranti, for the Amrit Snan, many people here have come from different parts of the country, from different parts of the world as well, to in fact ensure that they are a part of this massive event. Remember, the Mahakumbh goes on for 45 days. Yesterday alone, on day 1 of the Kumbh, we've already seen over 1.5 crore devotees who've come together. So it's no small feat that the administration here, that the police officials are able to really control this crowd. And just look at the kind of numbers around you. As you know, every single corner that I turn around, from 3 a.m. in the morning, there have been these kind of crowds. Now, it's raining non-stop. It's bitterly cold, and I can tell you this because I'm standing here with layers upon layers. We spent the night along the ghat because we were told once you get out, you can't really make your way back in because it's a long walk. We walked nearly 8 kilometers to get to this particular spot. So it is challenging, but nonetheless, completely worth it for someone like me to witness this kind of divinity, this kind of spirituality, because that's what's bringing all of these people together. And you constantly hear chants of Jai Shri Ram, of Har Har Mahadev, as they're all here to go ahead and take the holy dip in the Triveni Sangam.